Good morning with me. Start Symprove with me. I'm not drinking coffee yet. I need to try the Symprove. So, eating and drinking triggers digestion in your gut. Allow 10 minutes before you eat or drink. What will you do with your 10 minutes? Shower. This is too early for me to properly review. I just want to get this documented, so if I do make a video about this, I have this in the decks. Take 70 ml of Symprove every morning, 10 minutes before you eat your drink, designed to deliver approximately 10 billion colony-forming units. A lot of probiotics and things can even have up to like 200 billion, but because this is water, it's easier received into the body, which is what makes this so unique. I'll put a little bit about the science here because I'm definitely not realizing it, but I did read up a lot before getting this and it sounded fascinating. Keep in the fridge and consume within 10 days. Wow. So 70 ml, cool. Right, so 70 ml, what? Is literally the whole thing. So let's try it. I'm glad that I got a flavored one. It smells a little deeper than like strawberry and kiwi. Strawberry and raspberry. Oh, so I get my nip out when I do this. Cheers, my first one. I'm not over exaggerating whatsoever. This does taste fine. It's just weird. It's just slightly different to what I thought. It is definitely like strawberry and kiwi vibe. It's supposed to be strawberry and raspberry, but it kind of has that like real acidic kiwi lemon vibe. Ooh. Yeah, come on, citric acid. Is that even in it? Is it? No. Interesting. It has vitamin C though, ascorbic acid, and black carrot juice for the natural colour. So yeah, doesn't smell great, doesn't taste amazing, but I definitely appreciated having the flavoured version. I'm so glad I didn't just get the regular one. I signed up to, it billed monthly, and it was an offer that would last for 3 months. Supposedly, but it didn't look that way. It kind of just seemed like I was just buying a 1 month supply. So it will be interesting this time next month if I get another 4 sent to me to use. And yeah, I have no idea what this is going to do to me. I have high hopes, especially from the mental wellness side, how much the gut actually can affect and alter how every day feels or looks. So I'm very excited to see that. Yeah, it's gonna be good. I'm gonna go sort my hair out and shower and stuff now, but good morning with me. Start Symprove with me, and let's see how the hell this goes.